Welcome to WP EasyCart. In this tutorial we're going to walk through how to install the EasyCart plugin along with our 14-day trial as well as our professional or premium editions. The EasyCart system is designed to install in about 5 minutes, and we're going to walk through that system here. So let's take a look. I have just a demonstration WordPress site running. I'm going to go down here to plugins and add new, and all we need to do to install EasyCart, which is available directly on WordPress, is simply do a quick search for EasyCart. You'll find our plugin with the big green circle WP icon, and we're just going to install the plugin. And once it's installed, we can go ahead and activate it. And that's literally all it takes to install the plugin. You're going to immediately notice a screen looks like this. You'll notice on the left hand side we now have a WP EasyCart menu, and underneath it is all the administrative tools you need to run your store, from products to orders, users, marketing, as well as some settings and some other information. We immediately take you to a 5-step wizard, and this is a good quick 2-minute thing to run through when we install the store. The first thing you'll notice is that it asks if you would like to send usage data. Now this is anonymous data. We really like people to simply click allow, and that just lets us know what part of the plugin people are using the most, and so we know where to develop. Now as we start the wizard, it's simply, you can skip the wizard if you'd like to, but we really recommend you just walk through it. It's the basics to get set up and does it for you. So I would go ahead and hit get started. And EasyCart runs on 3 main pages. There's a store page, there's a shopping cart page, and there's an account page. And there's a lot of functionality built into those 3 pages. And so I always recommend that you hit continue here. How you display these 3 pages is entirely up to you. Of course, most people like to put a store link on their main menu, and I'll show you how to do that a little bit later. So let's go ahead and just hit continue. Go ahead and make those 3 pages. It wants you to select your store location and your currency. This simply lets you set up taxes and some other information, fairly simple. So you can go ahead and select those as you see fit. The next important step is payment gateways. Now with the free edition like this, we offer PayPal, Stripe, and Square. There are 2% EasyCart fees per transaction. So if you jump up to the Pro or Premium edition, you don't have any EasyCart fees. So, and that's per transaction. So, of course, you always have your payment gateway fees through PayPal, Stripe, Square. And if you go Pro or Premium, you can get another 30 gateways. Authorize.net, First Data, Payment Express, some other PayPal Pros, Intuit. So there's a lot of flexibility here. But we just have the free edition running. You also have manual payments, and this simply will let you place orders and skip the payment system. So that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and type in an email address. This lets you register and lets us send you important information. So I'm going to go ahead and just save this. And if you'd like to turn one of these on, you could right here. The next step, this is step 4, is shipping. We're going to set up, we could have static rates, we could have weight based. There's a lot more shipping you can do. Of course, live rates are in our Pro and Premium, but as a free edition here, we can just say we just want static rates, and that's all set up. Now, one thing I like to do on the last step is I always like to install the demo data. It takes a click. It's already installed now. We put about 10 products on your site, as well as some sample orders. And so you actually get to see some data in your site. And once you do that, you can go ahead and click on View Store, and it's going to go ahead and take you to your site with these 10 products in here. And you can see what they look like. Okay, and so you've got the whole entire system set up. You've got your payment gateway set up, and it took all of 3 minutes to go through. Of course, once you have it set up, you can start configuring how you want it to look. You'll notice when you go to your store page, you have these little gear icons. This little sidebar lets you change styles. We have several different styles that you can change to kind of explore what looks best on your system. Okay, some of these are set up for different views. You can switch columns. It may look better in a different column layout, or you can come back here and adjust 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 columns. And so you get really some configuration out of this designer live on your website. I think this one looks best in just a simple 3-column layout. And you can change a lot of other design settings while you're here. You can also come into products and you can set up specifically tags. Maybe we'll have a diagonal tag that says sale. And we can pick a color. Okay, so you have a lot of design flexibility, and these are things you would mess around with once you get in there. You can change the sort of products, maybe flip around how they look. So essentially we have the entire system installed. If you'd like to, you can go on with the next step after the wizard, which maybe is creating a product. You can come through our little sidebar here and set up your first product. Of course, we have all these different styles. We have downloads. Many of these products are available in our Pro and Premium. Memberships, invoices, donations, seasonal products. But you can set up classic retail products in our free edition. You'll notice some parts are locked. For example, if you go to marketing, we have gift cards, coupons, promotions. You'll be able to get those if you have the professional or the premium. So anywhere you see a gold lock, just realize those are part of the professional edition. You can go through products. You can see these demonstration products. Of course, you could select all of these and delete them if you don't want them, or you can leave them and deactivate them. Gives you a good view of what product setup should look like. You can come in and check out some test orders and see what those look like. Set up users. A good area to take a look at right after you install is to go through our settings. We have quite a few of them. It's a good idea to take 5-10 minutes and just flip through all of these, but this is where you'll set up taxes and shipping and payment gateways, as well as a lot of your checkout flow, how you want the store to run and operate. You might have to go to email setup and set up your emails for orders. We have some cart importers. These are great if you're coming from Square or WooCommerce or OS Commerce. You can one-click install those. We also recommend you check out your store status. E-commerce is a very complicated plugin, and so the store status gives you a quick rundown on your server just to kind of check things off and make sure that we've got shipping and taxes and payments, that we have all the PHP settings set up correctly. It's very helpful when you get into a big plugin like e-commerce. If at any point you want to install our Pro Edition, we have a 14-day no-risk trial, and this is really great. If we click this, It's just a one-click install. It'll go ahead, it's already installed the plugin right here and registered it. So you're going to have 14 days now of the actual Pro edition. And if we go ahead and click to complete the installation, this is where it's going to go ahead and register your site and start your 14 days from this point on. So you can see our Pro is active. At any point we could go to the registration page and see this. We could also upgrade right from here to the Pro and Premium. So maybe you get a week into this, you like it, you can come here. It already has your key in there. All you have to do is purchase a license and you're set to go. So very simple to upgrade and move to the live edition. You'll notice when we do that, we unlock coupons, promotions, all of those things locked away that were in the Pro edition. Okay. If at any time you need support, we really recommend you come up here. We have some great video tutorials, how to set up taxes and shipping and payment gateways, coupons, selling digital downloads or invoices. We have really good documentation on every panel. We have support forums and blogs, so you should be able to access those, as well as anytime you see these blue or video icons, these little orange buttons, you can always click on those and it will take you directly to the documentation for that section. So here's documentation on gift cards. We have a video on how to do gift cards. So you should have the support that you need. Any panel you go to, you should be able to look for these little help icons. Okay, so that's how we install it. Now again, the whole system runs on 3 pages. That is the store, which shows all of our products, the account page, which lets people log in and view their past accounts, get their downloads, and we have the shopping cart. Okay, of course we have no items, so let's say we come over here to my store and I'm going to add something to my cart. This is the cart section. It's going to let you check out and do the whole entire payment flow. So those 3 pages are the key aspect to EasyCart. And of course you could go to menus, and this is where we simply add those to our store. And so let me log back in here. This is where we can go to your menu. You set up a main menu, and all you have to do is add those pages, your store, your cart, and your account, and add them to your main menu. So you could have EasyCart running and not show. You could have EasyCart set up and have graphics go to the store. You could have them on your main menu like this. You can also go down here to store items, and this lets you actually put categories or individual products, and you can actually move those to your menu as well. So very flexible once you get it installed, and these are all things you would mess with now once you have a simple setup of EasyCart running. So again, go to plugins, add new. You simply have to search for EasyCart. Once you install it, you're more than welcome to go ahead and install our trial. And after 14 days or a couple of days, if you feel like it's a great product for you, you can click on upgrade to our Pro or Premium. So we hope that's helpful. We hope it's quick and easy for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website at www.wpeasycart.com, and you can chat with us or send us a ticket. Thank you.